Did you know that if you dig up a diamond the wrong way, it could disappear into dust before it ever reaches daylight? It's one of the most closely guarded secrets in the diamond world. So stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why the toughest gem on Earth is also one of its most fragile mysteries. Let's travel back billions of years when our planet was still forming. As molten rock cooled, carbon atoms squeezed together so tightly that they formed a new perfect crystal, diamond. But wait, graphite, the stuff in your pencils, is also made of carbon. The only difference is how the atoms are arranged. Pressure makes all the difference. As time passed, these crystals got trapped inside volcanic pipes, waiting millions of years before humans ever found them. Talk about a slow reveal. Fast forward to ancient India. The first diamonds were discovered in riverbeds. People thought they were pieces of stars fallen to Earth. Then came Africa, where massive deposits were found not just in rivers, but deep underground. That's when diamond fever really began. To reach them, miners dug deep shafts into the earth, sometimes over 100 meters. Every layer brought them closer to that hidden sparkle. And now, a dazzling secret only a few people know. The diamonds we find aren't shiny gems at first. They're raw crystal formations created more than 100 kilometers deep inside the earth. Down there, the pressure is enormous, millions of times greater than at the surface. That's why these crystals can't just be pulled straight out. If the pressure changes too suddenly, the diamond structure could crack or even turn to dust. To prevent that, miners place the crystals into special pressurized containers and slowly decompress them. How long this process takes is still a closely guarded secret, and every step must be done carefully, because even the tiniest fracture can make a diamond lose much of its value. Most diamond-rich rocks are kimberlites, named after the town of Kimberley in South Africa. They're ancient volcanic pipes that cooled just right. Now let's talk sparkle. Why are diamonds so valuable? First, size matters. Bigger stones mean bigger price tags. Color plays a role too. Clear diamonds are the most prized, but rare ones can be blue, pink, or even yellow. Clarity is next. The fewer the internal clouds or spots, the more a diamond can shine. And don't forget the cut. A good cut makes light dance. That's why diamonds sparkle when they catch the sun. Some diamonds became legends, like the Koh-i-Noor, part of the British crown jewels and said to bring power to its owners. Or the Hope diamond, deep blue and said to be cursed, but really it's just dazzling science in action. Fun fact, not all diamonds end up in jewelry. About 80% go to industry, used to cut, drill, and grind metal. Tough job for a shiny gem. Let's see just how hard a diamond really is. Try to scratch it with steel or glass. No chance. Scientists measure hardness with the Mohs scale. From 1 talc to 10 diamond. No wonder it's called the toughest natural material. This incredible strength comes from how its atoms bond. Each carbon atom connects to 4 others in a tight 3D pattern. That's why diamonds are used for cutting glass or drilling through rock. They're nature's toughest tools. So next time you see a diamond ring, remember, it started as carbon deep inside Earth, transformed by time, heat, and pressure. It's a story of transformation, from darkness to brilliance, from pressure to perfection. Maybe the diamond you see today was born a billion years ago. Talk about ancient beauty. Diamonds prove that beauty takes time, and a little pressure doesn't hurt either. Now let's see how humans make diamonds shine even more. Polishing time. Polishing takes patience and precision. Even tiny mistakes can ruin its brilliance. Each facet must be cut at just the right angle. It's part science, part art. That's why a skilled cutter can turn a dull rock into a fortune. Nature creates diamonds. Humans reveal their beauty. Labs can grow diamonds too, but they can't recreate a billion-year natural journey, yet. Whether in a ring, a drill, or a museum, every diamond tells the same story: strength, time, and sparkle. Next time someone says pressure makes diamonds, remember, that's scientifically true. Formed deep underground, mined from volcanic rock, cut and polished with care, diamonds are nature's masterpiece. And maybe they remind us that challenges can turn into something beautiful too. So keep your curiosity sparkling and your mind sharp. We've seen how pressure can turn carbon into sparkle, but what about something softer? In our next story, we're unraveling how one of humanity's coziest inventions was born: knitted clothes. You won't believe how one clever invention was almost banned by the Queen. Big thanks to everyone for watching, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more science, stories, and sparkle from 1,000 Answers.